In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit photos on Canva. We'll go step by step so you can confidently clean up, enhance, and export your images without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening your design in Canva. This could be any project you are working on, social posts, presentations, flyers, or a blank canvas. To bring your photos in, click Upload and add your images. Canva supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and even HEIDIC for mobile devices. You can also drag and drop files straight onto the canvas. Once your image is placed, click the photo and then click Edit to open the editing panel. You'll see Canva's Magic Studio tools, which use AI to speed up tricky edits. Magic Eraser is perfect for removing distractions, things like stray objects or background clutter. Brush over what you want to remove, adjust the brush size for precision, and let Canva do the cleanup. If something's still peeking through, make another pass for a cleaner result. Need to isolate a subject? Background Remover can instantly separate the person or object from the background. This is a pro feature, and it's great for product shots or cutouts. After removal, zoom in and tidy edges if needed by brushing carefully to restore or erase areas for a natural look. Magic Grab and Expand. Give you more control over composition. With Magic Grab, you can select the subject and reposition it for better balance in your layout. If your photo feels cramped, use Expand to extend the image borders and give your design more breathing room while keeping the background consistent. For overall improvements, head to Adjust. Here you can manually tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, and more, or click Auto Adjust for a quick smart fix. Small, subtle changes usually look most natural. If you want a cohesive style, try filters. Apply a filter. Then fine-tune its intensity so it complements your colors and maintains realistic skin tones. To refine framing, use crop. You can drag the handles to reframe your subject or choose a specific aspect ratio for a better fit. This is especially helpful when aligning your design or preparing for different platforms. When you are happy with the edits, click Done or Save to lock them in. To export, head to the Share menu and download your image. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or transparency, JPG for smaller photo files, and PDF if you are preparing something for print or sharing a document. That's it. Thanks for watching.